What's up, YouTube? Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. So, this video is about replacing spark plugs. You see it. 5.7 liter. This is on a 95 Chevy 3/4 ton. This is what you don't want your spark plugs to look like. Let's see. Focus. Look at that. Whew. Some ugly looking spark plugs. Anyway, process is pretty simple. You just take off the air box or the filter box where the filter lies. There's 8 spark plugs. I don't know if you can see them all, but there's 4 of them. So there's one like right here, right there, and one back there. And there's 4 on the other side. Simple process. Let's see, I already put the new ones in on this side. Let's see. There's one. There's another one right up under there. There's one. There's another one right up under here. Anyway, let's take those out. Also, putting a new distributor cap on and wires. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. Remove the old ones, put the new ones in. Take that off. There's 2 little screws on the side. One right there, one right there. And take your old wires, put them back in the correct way. I think this is 2, 4, 6, 8. This is 1, 3, 5, 7. Could be wrong. It's one of those ways. Anyway, but yeah, just make sure you put the right spark plug wire in the right spot on distributor cap. If you have a problem, there's all type of I can't even think. Anyway, you can look them up on Google and they'll show you and have a picture of how you route those to the correct spark plug. Anyway, hope this helps somebody out there. Should have did it from start to finish, but I didn't think about it till I was already halfway in. So, all right, take care.